Hi, this is Carla from HeyLinkMe, and in this video, we're going to talk about one of the features of the website, which is highlights. So to get started, we must first log in into our account. So if you don't have one yet, I highly suggest that you go and create an account so that we can get started. So in this case, since I already have one, I will just click log in and it should direct me to this dashboard. So in this left hand side, we can see all the settings, the details of our profile, and at the right hand side, you can see the live mobile version of your account. So this is what the viewers will see when they click your profile. And this will also display the changes that we will do into our account real time. So as I've said earlier, we're going to talk about highlights and how it works. To do that, we will go to the Appearance tab and then we will scroll down until we see this one, Highlights. So as you can notice, there is a small icon that says Pro beside the highlights, which means that this feature is only available for Pro users. So highlights, as the name implies, it's the main highlights that you wanted to add to your HeyLinkMe page. So to get started, you can see a toggle button right here and then we will just click on. So let me just delete these examples first. As you can see, we can add one highlight title or highlights title, and then we can add as many details as we want. So for example, you wanted to highlight your awards, your 2023 awardee, 2024, 2025, and what so on and so forth. These are just examples of what you can put into the highlight section of your page. So you can add as many details as you want and it will reflect here in your profile. Whatever that you wanted to highlight into your profile, you can put it here so that viewers can see the highlights, the main highlights that you wanted your HeyLinkMe page to have. So you can easily turn this off so that the highlights won't show. But if you turn this on, it will show the highlights. So again, you can only add one highlight title, but you can add as many details as you want. So that is it for highlights, and it's very simple and straightforward. So I'm sure you won't have any problem using it. Let me know if you have questions.